What's going on, guys? Mcfgotmillk, welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clean leather the easy way. I know there's tons of videos out there with people using machines and all that stuff, but this is just going to be a simple, cheap way, an easy way, and the money-saving way to do it. It's not going to obviously thorough clean again like the machines do that you see people use, but this is going to clean your leather and condition it and make it feel nice and smooth. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing you're going to need is some kind of spray, some leather cleaner. I'm using Mcfgotmillk, however you say that, however you say it, but it's a leather cleaner, leather conditioner. You want to read it, go for it. Second thing is a brush, a nice like painter's brush type of soft bristle to get into the leather. Last but not least, a microfiber towel as I drop it. First thing you want to do is make sure you test your leather cleaner on a super small spot on the surface, like somewhere in the corner or something like that, to make sure that it's good for the leather and it doesn't make your leather turn a different color. But since I know this test is on my leather, what I'm going to do is, first step, spray it on my microfiber towel. I'm going to rub it in, make sure it spreads across, bend it, and then I'm just going to work it in. Little circle motions, up, down, different directions. Make sure you get it all up. And again, that's your first step. Second step is the brush. Again, spray on the area. And then lightly with your brush, work it in. Make sure you get it all nice and in. Don't miss any spots, because then it will look weird afterwards. Get your brush. Circle motions again. Up and down motions, make sure you get the cracks. All around. After you do this for a while and everywhere, microfiber towel, clean side, wipe it down. But again, I have black leather, as you can see, so it's going to be kind of hard to do it before and after. But I promise you, if you have like a gray or a light colored leather, it will work and you'll see a difference. But again, this is only a cheap and easy way. If you really want to, you can go for a couple $100 or $50 at a big tool and just completely like scrub around. But again, I don't advise that if you don't have the budget. But if you can afford that, go for it. Nice and leather up your leather. I know you're gonna say now, really, what the hell? That's it? That's it. That's the easiest way to clean your leather on a cheap, easy budget. Again, I would make this video longer to show you more, but I don't really think you wanna watch me completely polish and clean all my seats and leather for, what, 10 minutes to get ads? Like, I'm not like that. I wanna teach you guys, I wanna get you guys going, I want you guys to start cleaning. I don't wanna bore you guys, straight to the point. So, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys find this helpful. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. And if you are subscribed already, I'm back to my old ways. I'm trying to get as much videos done as possible. Thank you so much for keeping with me. And as always, have a great day.